Lindenwood University Library Services has many resources to help you do research. Today, I'm going to talk about how to find articles on a specific topic using EBSCO, which is one platform we have access to. But another great platform for art-related topics is JSTOR. Something to keep in mind is that some topics may lend themselves to articles and others to books. So if you don't find what you want in one format, try the other. The library offers many research guides to help our researchers. Within these research guides, there is a list of subject-specific databases for you to search from and other useful information on how to use the library. If there is not a research guide for the subject you need, you can click on the A to Z database list to see what databases are available for that subject. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the Art History, and Fashion Design subject guide. The first tab of the guide is meant to welcome you and give you some background information on the library and places to do background research. Since we are looking for articles, I'm going to select the Finding Articles tab. The first couple of boxes talk about using articles and some general places to search. We are going to skip down to the Databases for Articles box. For our purposes, I'm going to select Artful Text for my search. Once in the database, I'm going to add in a couple of databases to search to save time and expand the sources that I am searching. I'm going to add Academic Search Ultimate and Humanities International Complete, but you can add as many as you like depending on your topic. The topic that I have chosen for today is on second wave feminism as it relates to art. I notice as I type that the database tries to help me with my search by making suggestions. It is good to look at these suggestions, and if they make sense, add them in. Not all the suggestions, though, might be helpful. I put second wave feminism in quotes so that it looks for that phrase and not just instances of the separate words. I do a search to see what my results might look like. I realize that I might get more results if I add a star to feminism. Now the database will search for all the different endings. So in this case, it would bring back results for feminism or feminist. After doing this search, I am happy with my results. But if I wasn't, I could add additional keywords to either narrow my search by joining them with and, or broaden my search by joining them with or. For ideas for new keywords, either do some background research on your topic or look at potential articles to see what keywords match your needs. Next, I'm going to limit my search to only scholarly peer-reviewed articles within the last 20 years. Now I look at my results and see what articles fit my purpose. Result 6 looks promising, so I click to learn more. I read the abstract and decide that this article will work in my paper. I look to see if the library has access to this article and notice that we do. If we didn't, I could request the library send me a copy of it through interlibrary loan. Watch the interlibrary loan tutorial for more information on that service. To find similar articles to this one, I could use the subject terms listed in this article's record to see what adding them might do to change my results. Using the subject terms is a great way to see what words the researchers are using. If you decided that maybe you are more interested in third wave feminism, you could click that link to change your search. But remember that it will forget all the other limits that you had in place. Thank you for watching this basic tutorial. The techniques used here can be applied to other databases, and you should use more than one database to see more perspectives on the research. If you have questions about using our resources or need more help finding information on your topic, please contact the library.